Welcome. In this video I will explain backup and restore on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. First, let me show you how to enable a Google Backup on your smartphone. In order to do that, you have to go to Settings, navigate down to the System section, and in System find Backup menu. Tap Turn On to enable your backup, and then select what you want to backup to Google. Then tap Confirm, and right now your backup is on. You can tap Backup now to backup all the data present on your device. Then wait for a while until the backup is complete. And now to restore the backup, when you're setting up a new device, after connecting to Wi-Fi, you will be prompted to copy apps and data from another device. So select either can't use old device or sign into your Google account, then choose your previous device's backup from Google Drive, select this data and apps that you want to restore, and complete the setup to have your apps, settings, contacts and other data restored. So that's how you activate backup, manage your data and restore your data using Google Backup. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.